Bingsu texture name. Woo! Here's our slime. Really good. And I think it's going to be perfect for a Bingsu texture. So let's try 6 beads. Let's do gray. I think that'll match. Okay, give it a little pat pat. Nope, it did not work. And now 10 beads. Don't think it'll work either. Oh, it did. Okay. It did work. And it's really Pokeball and stretchy, as you can see. Perfect. Bye.